And we're gonna chop our word up into different little slices. When I was growing up, school was a happy place and I always played school at home. Play.
Play.
And so for me, it's kind of like my dream to get to play school here. Say shut.
Shut.
Shh.
Us.
And so I feel like I'm playing school most days, and so it's really not hard to keep up the energy because I'm excited. I want to be here. I want to make magic for them and make memories.
Oh.
Most days I feel like a magician. Letter is W, sound is W. Like I'm pulling rabbits out of a hat because in kindergarten it's very quick and fast-paced and you have to think in the moment. There's a lot of joy in teaching, but it's also about creating those positive memories. So we have our characters. Say characters.
Characters.
Say characters.
Characters.
I mean, when I think about my schooling, that's the core memories that I remember were the moments where the teacher made magic out of the ordinary. We're living on the what?
Farm.
We're living on the farm now. I try to remember that when I'm in the classroom and bringing magic to them each and every day. All right, characters, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. All right, Mr. Cow, you're up.
Sarah is, she's just inspirational to so many. Just her passion for teaching, her love for her classroom is just bar none. She's just phenomenal.
It's your turn. I want to see, what do you remember about when we retell? My favorite part of the job is seeing the change, especially in kindergarten. I like how you added that detail that our classroom in here is based off the story, The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. And I always like to think about when they come to me in August, they are like these little tiny caterpillars and they are fresh and ready to learn. And then throughout the year, we learn so many things. I teach them things. They start to grow and change, and they're kind of like in their little chrysalis. And then by the end of the year, they are ready to spread their wings and fly and be a butterfly and go to first grade. Quiet golf clap, round of applause.
She definitely tries to incorporate hands-on learning anytime she can because she really knows the students that age and knows what keeps them engaged.
That was a good connection that you made.
She realizes that if the kids are engaged, they're going to learn whether they think they're learning or not. That's actually what they're doing.
Let's get some wiggles out. Kindergarten is more than just the academics. I mean, when they come into our classroom, a lot of them, they don't know maybe how to write their name. They don't know how to read letters. They also might not know how to make a friend yet. And so it's all about just those social emotional skills. I think that's really important, and teaching them to be a good human. Remember, we're reading those two sounds together. And really just learning to love school. Every kid needs a champion, and some kids need a little more encouragement than others, and that goes back to building relationships and really getting to know that child and, you know, knowing what irks them and knowing what excites them and knowing what challenges them. Because once you get to that surface level and getting to know them, you're able to really help them in a way that excites them about learning.
She's the best teacher. She tells us a lot of new things that we don't know. She teaches us stuff about math. She teaches us things. I learned math. We're doing 2 + 2. First, in kindergarten, you start with books that are easy to read, and she makes them easy for us. And then whenever we get older, then we can read better. Yeah, she called on me to write a C for the word can.
CH. They are everything. Good. I like how you went from left to right, like when we were reading a word, right? When I come to work every day, it's honestly, you know, it's not even a job for me. It's just something that I know it's something I'm meant to do. Except for this time, we're gonna make our race car go across our sound boxes. Now make it go.
Shot.
Oh, you got it. Getting to pour into these children, these 19 kids, I have 180 days to be with them. Let's turn our paper so we can see it. I don't want to miss a single minute. That's why I feel like it's so important to create the magic in just the little moments.
She's so nice. She does fun things. Miss Gilreath is a rock star. Miss Gilreath is fun. She's the best, and they really like her. I want to stay in kindergarten forever.
Silly old fox, doesn't he know? There's no such thing as a Gruffalo. It's so special. I think it's an honor to be able to be that difference maker, and I am very humbled again just to say that, I get the opportunity to come in here and change lives every day.